Watch this video and learn how to draw a swan. Wow!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to draw some art?
Yeah.
What would you like to draw today?
No,
You don't want to draw?
no one to make art.
Are you kidding with me, Artie?
Just kidding.
Very good. You got me.
I joke.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Have you got your markers, Artie? Artie,
Yay.
are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Let's start with a frown-shaped curve in the middle of the page. Do a little straight line coming down from the end, and then a nice smiley shape coming from the left side, all the way across the bottom. We probably should have gone to the park to look at the swans before we did this, Artie. It's okay, we can remember what they look like. Let's draw some little V shapes. These are going to be the wings of our swan. That's perfect. We've got our first wing. Now let's do some more feather shapes inside that wing. Little artists, if we're going a little bit too quickly for you, Louis has a song that might help.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
It was marvellous, Louis. Okay, Artie, let's draw the neck of our swan. A nice curvy line on the left, and then do another curvy line on the right. That's the neck. Swans have beautiful long necks. You know what? I think we should go to the park after we've done the drawing, and let's check out the swans.
Yeah.
Artie loves the park. Now let's draw the tail feather. We're going to do little V shapes again. I think we should complete the body of the swan. So join those two lines together with a nice smiley shape. That's it. The body's done. Now let's focus on the head. We'll start with the swan's beak. A nice wavy line for the top of the beak. A smaller wavy line on the right. And then connect the two with another smiley shape. That's right. There you go. Now draw a line through the beak. That will show that there's a top and a bottom. Let's do the eye. Do a little V, a tiny little V, that's good. And then do a half circle around. That's it. And then shade the whole thing in black. That's our swan's eye.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
It really is fun, guys. Okay, now draw a circle around that eye. Oh yes, this is starting to look good. How about a little eyebrow? Nice. Now I think we should finish the shape of our swan's head. Start at the top of the beak, come round, and then curl up at the end. Now from that curled up piece, come down and curl up again, and then come down again. This gives the back of the swan's head a sort of feathery look.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
This is looking really good. Now, where do swans live?
In a pond.
That's right. So let's draw a little pond underneath our swan. We'll do some ripples of water, as if the swan is swimming along in a lovely little pond.
One.
You're finished?
Wow.
Are you ready to color it in?
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
You guys have a great day too. Okay, Artie, let's say goodbye to the little artists. We hope you've enjoyed the show, and we hope you have an Artie day. Goodbye.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye 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 bye.